Shivaji's YouTube channel. The weather is very hot nowadays, and as we stay in the coastal belt, every summer is less tolerable to us. So, at these times, we prefer some cold drink like fresh juice instead of chai or coffee. So, today I am making watermelon juice, and I thought of sharing it with you all. And come, let's go.
And the juice is ready. Cheers! Now, if you are wondering what is this, let me explain. As like we suffer from the hotness of the atmosphere nowadays, so do the birds around us. So, shall we do something for them? It costs nothing for us, but it can give life and energy to the thirsty birds around us. It is an initiative by Adrishya, a team of young students. So here is the Water for Birds campaign. Let's keep a bowl of water in our terrace or surroundings for the thirsty birds around us. You can also participate in this campaign by using the information from the description below. Thanks for the concern.
So, more importantly, in this video, I wanted to share some information about company secretary course. What is company secretary course? Many of the people are not aware about this course. Whenever I go somewhere, people ask many questions about this course, and it is somewhat difficult to make them understand. They have so many questions. Some of the funny questions are here. So firstly, what are you currently pursuing? I am pursuing CS course. Oh, CS? Computer science, huh? They ask. Then comes people who ask, is it 3 months course or 6 months course? Then people ask, in which college you are studying? Oh, it comes under which university? People ask. Then, okay, are you not pursuing MBA or MCom? There are some people who ask, is it semester wise or how exams are conducted? Like it is easier than CA, I guess. So on, so on, so on. Do you have scope for that? I have never heard of this course. Okay. So some people go beyond the limit and ask, oh, it's not semester wise, right? You have okay, 3 modules. Okay. So when we count semester wise, it becomes 4 semester or what? I be like,
कुछ भी एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी। 119 पे इतनी अच्छी पार्टनरशिप चल रही थी। ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मुझे, मारो। नहीं, ये मजाक हो रहा है। एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है। नहीं, ये
not to offend anyone, but CS students may be tired of hearing these things. So I thought of sharing how it feels and sharing some basic information about this course. So CS is basically company secretary course, as I already said. It is just like CA. It is a professional course which comes under the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, which is managed by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. We have college or university, we have coaching classes they are conducted institute itself. Institute branches we call it as chapters. We have Mangalore chapter and we have coaching classes there also, and there are many private institutions giving coachings, and also we have online coaching classes nowadays. So there are plenty of opportunities in this course, and we don't have to pursue any post graduation degree if we need need to go by this field, because when we do company secretary course, after pursuing it, we are the members of board of directors, team of board of directors. We are literally in that position. We don't really need to pursue MBA or MCom before this. So I also know some people who did not even complete degree. Just after PU they have opted for company secretary course. So we have plenty of opportunities here. There are so many job opportunities also. So there is no real requirement of pursuing MCom or MBA, something like that. Easier than CA? I say not really. It is equal to CA, you can say. So in CA, the people have accounts part more. It is accounts based course, as they have to audit, right? So in company secretary course, we have to see the legal matters of the company. So we have law part more. So CS with the LLB has more opportunity, and only company secretary has also much scope, not less. Very important to understand the legal aspects, and it is not very easy. It's theory based. We have practical subjects side by side, but we have theory more, and it is difficult as like CE. We have to study hard, we have to dedicate. So it is not easy, not at all. Any subject is not easy, and we don't get it for free. There was a circular that recently published that now CS degree also equals to PG degree. So it is for our convenience sake. Actually, it is a professional course and it has higher value than PG degree. That's it. Then semester, no, we cannot tally it with semester like that, because we can write both the modules. Professional course, we have 3 modules, right? First one is foundation. We had foundation. I passed foundation exam and came to executive level, but now they have introduced CSEET, that is entrance exam for company secretary course. So next we have executive. We have 2 modules, and we can write both the modules together or one after another. We have an option. So exams are conducted in June and December every year. So 2 exams per year. Next, at professional course we have 3 modules: module 1, module 2, module 3. We can either write module 1 and 2 together, or module 1 and 3 together, module 2 and 3 together, however, or one each, or all the 3 together, however you can write. So you cannot count like semester wise. This is the basic information I had to give you all. So first one is CS is company secretary course. It is a professional course and maintained by a professional body, which is under a professional body, and it has higher scope nowadays, and it's not easy, it is difficult, and it is bound by regulations. We have to learn many laws and regulations in this, and we have plenty of opportunities as well, and we have enough students who are getting into this space now. And yeah, I said some of the questions people ask, and there are also some people who encourage us by saying, yeah, it has good opportunity, very good, you have chosen the right path, and so on. So I have to really thank them because they are aware of this course, and they also appreciate the students who work hard. Not offend anyone, again I say. So people ask and they improve their knowledge also. Whenever they ask, we answer, they also get to know that, oh, there is this kind of course and something. So I just wanted to share this information with all my friends, family and relatives, so that, and new people, all my subscribers and viewers, so that you can get some benefit from this information. And I also recommend this course to any of the commerce students who are now pursuing their PU or degree. So for more information you can visit www.icsi.edu, which is the official website of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and you can also search in YouTube, where you get plenty of information about the course. Also, if you have any doubts or queries regarding this course, you can also comment in the comment section below. I will try to answer it. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and we're back with regular videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.